welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be showing you guys how to monetize your account in TikTok. If you are looking to turn your creativity into cash on TikTok, then you're in the right place. Let's explore how you can monetize your TikTok content through exciting new creativity program. Let's jump in. First things first, make sure that you meet the eligible criteria for TikTok's creativity program. This typically includes your follower count, engagement matrix, and adherence to community guidelines. So now what I want you to do is go and open your TikTok app, then tap on your profile present at the bottom of your screen, and then select the three horizontal like icon present on the top right. After that, select Creator Tools. There under Monetization, you will see video gifts and subscriptions. Tap on it and enable the gift settings. Since I don't have enough followers, I won't be able to turn it on. Here, there's even another option called subscriptions. Tap on it, and when you join, you will get paid according to your subscriber. So that's it. I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching.